panel last night. Jimmy Alapag, Sel, go ahead.
Yes, guys, kasama ko nga po ngayon si Jimmy Alapag. So, Jimmy, you were part of the panel yesterday. How was the experience?
It was great. Having a chance to be there with Miko and Jason. It was a great experience. We had a lot of fun last night.
So, now that you're playing, are you excited?
Oh, definitely. It's a great weekend for the Philippines and for the PBA, and we're looking forward to it.
Okay, so good luck. At yan po kapatid, Jimmy Alapag ng Smart Gilas, balik sa panel. Okay mga kapatid, kasama po natin si Brian the Hawaiian Punch Viloria. So Brian, are you excited for today's game?
I'm very excited. I think I'm more excited than my actual fights. watching these guys that I watch every time. You know, Kobe and Derrick Rose, and these guys are, I'm a big fan of theirs.
Okay, so what else are you gonna do aside from watching the game and your stay here in the Philippines?
I heard they're gonna give me a plaque at halftime, so I'm not sure. I'm just excited to be here and watch these guys live and watch the Philippines team take on these guys.
Okay, so have fun. Ayan po mga